Well, hey guys, welcome back today. There you are. I'm working on 3D printing again on this Linux machine as we convert over from the Mac to Linux. I need a good STL viewer. On my Mac, I could just pull that up in Preview. It wants to do OpenSCAD by default, but I always do it with Preview, because Preview I can just look around the item very quickly, close it back out, and be done with it. We don't have anything like that in Linux, so I got looking around. I found this website, Plug and Play 3D, and they give us some examples. And one of these here is MeshLab. So let's get into this. It is available in the Software Center via Flatpak on the newest version, which would be 2.22. I think we're going to go for that. It is a KDE type piece of software, so we're going to just download that and install it real quickly, and then we'll be right back and we'll check it out. Okay guys, we are done, and it looks like I should say something about Mesh Mixer. I am not an expert on it by any means. I'm just going to try it for the first time right now, but it looks like we can edit in here too. But right now I'm looking for a viewer. You know, maybe down the road I'll look at editing capabilities, but right now I'm looking for a viewer. I could either click launch here or go down to my little launch button here and type mesh, and you can see MeshLab right there, the same little did I say mixer? Sorry, it's MeshLab. So I'm just going to click launch and we're going to check it out. And who knows where it's going to start? Oh my goodness, that is a big one. Okay, I think what we're going to do is just try to import an STL. Now, if I went file import, it doesn't read it correctly, which is strange to me. It took me a couple minutes to figure that out. But so what I'm going to do is I've got this broom hanger I downloaded off of Thingiverse. I'm just going to drag it over. It's going to give me a message saying duplicated vertices and STL files. Just say OK, and bam, there it is. So now I can drag it, or I can right click my mouse button, and I can look all around it and check the file out. So that's my goal, is to get something in quickly. It does have a little hang up for me. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe you guys know if MeshLab, the import on the STL files is different, or if I'm just doing something wrong, but dragging it into an empty project seems to work. Yeah, just using my right mouse, grab whatever axis I want to rotate. In this one it's pink and green, right, to get it to rotate the way you want it. So this will probably work for me. I'll probably mess around with it for a little while longer and see, you know, if there was something I was doing wrong and all that, but I won't put that on a video. Just a quick one to get an STL viewer going. We could try this one. There was a couple others listed, the GLC type viewer, all those other ones, but they looked like they were maybe a little bit older and maybe a little bit abandoned. I'm not sure. That's why I went with this one. This one doesn't seem to be hanging up or anything yet, so I think we'll try this one a while. I'll come back and update. How's that? And if this ends up not working for me, I'll probably try another one. So anyway, guys, that's all we have for today. Getting that preview-like functionality from my Mac on Linux, and I think we'll leave it here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.